Alright guys, just trying to play catch up. I had technical difficulties the past couple weeks with my recordings. I haven't posted any videos, I think 2 weeks. So this is going to be just the review real quick of my week 3 trading. I just finished week 4. At any rate, I ended the year with a really good day, and I started the year with a really bad day. Get this to pull up real quick. Show the chart here. So as you can see, I ended the year really good. Excuse me. I was up 1161.50, and then the following trading day, which is a Tuesday, I think it was a Tuesday, down 1,000. So I basically lost the same amount of money. And basically what I was doing was a little bit of FOMO in the beginning, but then I try to make up for it, and I'm trading in and out of to try to better an average and all this stuff, and I'm getting too biased on the trade. So at this point I'm just being super stubborn. I took multiple trades on it, and we can look at it real quick. Let me see if I can find it. If it'll let me pull it up this way. I think it's under journal view. I'm pretty sure. Let me go to the second. So yeah, Watt. I lost 1,086 and I traded it for $60. So let's look at this right here, details. Get some. I'm starting off with small positions, and I'm buying and I'm covering, and I actually made a little bit of money here, and then I tried to reshort it, and it was just a disaster. I got so short biased on it, and then as the day's going up, I'm adding to my size to make up for the difference. I had some small wins, but then of course I had some big losses, and it was going against me really fast. Let me pull up the charts real quick and see if it'll actually let me see the charts. There's the charts, and you can see I just got stubborn. I mean, I should have just been done here in this 22 range when it went over the high of the day, and been done with it, and then gone long. But stubborn. I was just being freaking stubborn. That's all there was to it. I don't know what else to say. I have corrected that a little bit. I still had a couple trades that went against me, but I was very calm about it. That I'll show you for week 4. I basically just stopped. I took a small loss. Actually, a little bit bigger than I expected. It kind of went on me quick, but it was about $180 today. I took a small loss. I waited for a better setup because I knew it was going to go short. I felt it was going to go down, and I took the trade appropriately, made my money back and a little bit extra, and then able to add back at another breakdown point and have a really great trade on the day. But that's this week, not last week. We're talking about last week. But this was the big killer of my week. So I did some, I wouldn't say soul searching, but let me go back to the next page real quick. I think on the following day, I wound up having, I was down $10, right here. But I overtraded. I was trading a ton of shares, and I had $100 in commissions. So it was actually 110, I think. So it was still a bad day. I lost $120. So my account was down. But then the next day I was like, what am I doing wrong? So I started paying attention to my share size and covering after I hit 75% of my shares once I hit a small target. So I'm getting 1 to 1 or 2 to 1 is what I'm really trying to get most of the time, and taking a partial. That really helped that last 2 days and helped me get on track. Thursday and Friday. Friday was a nice day. I was up, I was up 377, and then January 5th, I was up 455. So 2 good trading days. Going back to the reports view, trying to keep this as quick and short as I can, but so there's the month, I guess, now that I've been trading. It's a little bit over, just almost, well, this week will be a month when I add it. Yeah, 1402, it's down to 382, back up. Wins and losses is what it is. Find some other information here. Let's see. I haven't looked at this, by the way, so I'm looking at it right when you're looking at it. Average daily gain, 86 bucks. Average winning trade, 131. Average. So I still want to get over this right here. I need to get a better win rates. 56% needs to be a little bit better if I'm going to keep that. So increase this. This could stay, 1-to-1, but I'd rather see a 2-to-1 and see this at the 60 or 65% range. Consecutive wins, 9. Consecutive losses, yeah. Average trade gain. Janice. Sorry, my dog just threw up. Stand by. My dog just got sick. Anyway, I apologize for that. And I'm not going to edit it out because I don't have a lot of time. That's another thing too. The past 2 weeks I've had zero time to do anything with the videos. I do have a lot of footage. Some of it got messed up, some of it didn't. So I'm going to try to go through it and just kind of show some the good, the bad, and the ugly on a couple of videos probably, and go from there. Let's see, wins, losses. Let's pull this stuff up real quick for you guys. Oops, wrong one. So performance per day a week. Friday's turning into pretty good days for me. I don't know why. Tuesday's not a good day. Most of that's that one loss, but still, yeah. Let's see what else. It provides good stats. It's a cool website. They do provide other services, but I don't know if it's really necessary for a new trader to see all that, or need it. I consider myself a new trader, although I'm not. I mean, I've been trading for a couple years, more than a couple years. I'm just not as profitable as I should be, and I'm it's getting there. We're getting there. So anyway, market behavior. This is interesting to me because I gapping down. I like to short, so that makes sense. So I don't quite understand. Well, that's on movement. I apologize. This is the gap. So if it gaps down 1%, my performance is not that great, but it gaps up. So up market, I do well, but I short most of the time, which is weird. You would think it'd be the opposite. I don't know. I'm kind of rambling at this point, but basically, you see my my P&L there, minus my commissions. I'm not sure exactly where I was at. Yeah, I don't know where my profit was at that particular day. So anyway, peace out, guys. On to the next week.